SOLIDWORKS Inspection allows us to leverage existing SOLIDWORKS drawings and part files to expedite first article inspection reports. Inside of the drawing, we have the add-in for SOLIDWORKS, where we're starting to utilize custom properties for our part models that we can easily bring into our first article inspection report. We can choose characteristic information as well as extraction criteria to make sure no dimensions are missed. We can also specify our dimensioning and tolerancing schemes. From here, within seconds, SOLIDWORKS Inspection has ballooned our drawing for us and populated our characteristic tree. This is giving us a summary of all items ballooned where we can navigate to those items, zoom in, and see individual characteristics such as tolerance and upper and lower limits of each ballooned component. Making changes once this balloon and inspection project has been started is very fast and very simple. Inside of the SOLIDWORKS drawing, we can simply make use of our normal dimensioning tools to remove or add specific dimensions. From here, all we have to do is update the SOLIDWORKS inspection project, and we will see color coding on items that have been removed or added where we can accept those items. And again, within moments, our entire ballooning has been updated. Exporting this to Excel is also very fast and efficient. We can choose our export template and let inspection do the rest. Populates our entire characteristic tree into our designated template in Excel. SOLIDWORKS Inspection also has a standalone software component if you don't have SOLIDWORKS installed on your system. This allows us to make use of many other file types, including native SOLIDWORKS files, but also PDFs, TIFFs, DWGs, and DXF files. The extraction criteria is very fast, allowing us to populate our characteristic tree within moments. We also have simple sets of tools that allow us to change our tree, add, delete, and remove items as well. Inside of the professional version of the standalone, we have the ability to enter measured data directly into our project. One method of doing this is utilizing pre-existing templates for CMM results outputs. From here, we can enter the results file and have SOLIDWORKS Inspection do a comparison on what's ballooned to what is inside the results file. And from here, we can even see color coding directly on our screen. The standalone product also can make use of three-dimensional files, such as SOLIDWORKS files, PRTs, even CATIA files. The MBD data can be ballooned automatically, and we can even enter measured data and export directly to Excel as with any other two-dimensional file type. So with all these different methods that we can utilize SOLIDWORKS Inspection, we're sure to expedite your first article inspection process.